Hello, as you can see, it is freezing here, so I thought this would be a prime time to have a little talk about HiveAlive Fondant. So fondant is what you need to be putting on your hive to feed your bees at this time of year, as well as liquid feeds at this time of year would freeze and what have you. It's actually harder for the bees to digest water-based products. So HiveAlive Fondant is the thing you need. Comes in 1 kilogram and 2.5 kilogram bags. The specially designed packaging stops it from drying out on the hive. This HiveAlive fondant includes the correct dose of the HiveAlive liquid supplement. It also includes additional vitamins, amino acids, which are added to optimize bee health. The very fine particle size makes it easy for the bees to digest. And they don't need water to process this, so it is ideal to feed in winter. Okay, I'm just going to show you how to pop your HiveAlive fondant onto your hive. So we've just got a national setup with just a brood box here, as you would probably going into winter. So if you remove the roof and then when your porta bee escapes, get your HiveAlive fondant and just simply cut, peel it back and flip it over. You'll be able to fit a 1 kilogram pack under a standard 4-inch roof, but with a 2.5, you'll need to pop on an eek, and that'll also give you enough room to pop on a quilt if you wish, and then your roof just slide straight back on. So as well as the HiveAlive fondant, we have the new product from HiveAlive, which is the HiveAlive Max Protein. So this is to be used in spring before your supers go on, or in the autumn before it gets too cold. This comes in a 500 gram and a 1 kilogram pack. This has a 2% natural pollen, which is much better than any pollen substitutes. It has 12% protein, which is among one of the highest percentages on the market. It uses a proprietary plant-based protein. It includes 12% protein, which is among the highest percentages on the market. It uses a proprietary plant-based protein source, which has been developed especially for its palatability for the bees. It also includes 10 ml of HiveAlive liquid per 1 kilogram.